how to check in online for Air Arabia flight. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can check in online for your Air Arabia flight. So the first step is to open up the Air Arabia application or the website, depending on what you want. And then once you're on the home page, the bottom part of the screen, you can see some icons such as book, manage, check-in, boarding pass, air rewards, flight status. Just click on check-in, and so you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be able to check in online with your PNR, all right, which is also your booking reference number. So as you can see, that next step is for you to enter in your reference number in here, then enter in the departure date. When exactly did you make the journey? All right, you can just select it and then type in your arrival or your departure airport. All right, your departure airport as well as your departure date, and then enter in your reference number in here, then scroll down and click on find booking. Then once you click on find booking, you'll be taken to the next page where you can be able to complete the online check-in process. And then once you've completed the online check-in process, you can then select your seat and you would receive your boarding pass electronically. So this is very easy. All right, so ensure you check in about 24 hours to the time of your departure. Thank you for watching and have a good day.